nanti. Dia lambat sikit ni.
Cik Lee
Okey.
bagi you
Tak apa lah. Ini rasa je. Go.
Okay.
Boleh kata.
Terima kasih Puan Moderator. Assalamualaikum and hi. Allow me to proceed presenting this DLO in English. I am Dr. Sakhiyah binti Abdul Rahim from IPG KDRI, and I would be presenting a DLO. And this DLO is developed for TSLB 3013 Linguistics for the topic on English vowels. Now, this DLO, even though it is developed for TSLB 3013, it can be readily used for TSLB 3043, that is on English phonetics and phonology in the subsequent semester. For the purpose of this DLO, we have chosen one CLO from the RMK, that is CLO number 2, categorizing phonemes using the IPA. And from this CLO, we have formulated 3 learning outcomes. Number 1, to distinguish short from long vowels. 2, to describe the characteristics of the vowel. And 3, to produce correct articulations of the vowel. The big idea for this DLO goes like this. Good articulation defines education. And from this big idea, we have come up with 3 essential questions. The first one is, why learn English vowels? 2, how does one master the articulation of vowels? 3, how does mastery of vowel articulation affect an individual? So we are going to move on to the next page. This page provides some general information about English vowel. So here, we know that there are 12 English vowels as compared to Bahasa Melayu. So because of this discrepancy in Bahasa Melayu and English, we can anticipate problems in non-native speakers learning English. The next page, that is on eliciting idea, offers students with information. Sorry. Sekejap. Ada salah.
Apa? Kenapa?
Hmm.
Tak apa. Nanti live pun straight je. Tak ada masalah.
Betul dah. Sorry. Alamak. So, tak apa ni. Buat
Tak
semula.
apa. Tak payah teruskan.
Tak payah. So, this
Nanti
page
kalau
on
live pun teruskan. Dia kalau salah tak apa.
Alright.
Dia live
This
ya.
page, okay lah. This page on eliciting ideas present students with a YouTube video. Here, students are asked to view the video, and then after they have viewed the video, they are going to respond to the kind of English spoken. What do they think about the kind of English spoken in the video? And they are going to share it in their class GC. Next, we have the next page, that is navigating and connecting. Now this page, as we can see on the screen, will lead us to more information. So we move on to exploring information. In exploring information, this page provides the students with information on characterizing vowels and how to distinguish them, right? And here, the students are presented with one short video on how to distinguish long from short vowels, how to characterize them, and how to produce them correctly. So after they have viewed the video here, they need to answer this question as to what they think of the video. Does it help them to distinguish short from long vowels? And they are going to share their opinion in the class GC. So here, what we can see is that from this activity, students will engage themselves in digital skill, metacognition, and critical thinking. The next page presents students with 4 short authentic audio recordings. The students may want to look at one audio recording, or they may want to try all. They're going to listen to all these recorded audios, and they're going to give their responses as to the quality of the vowels produced in this audio. What do they think about the articulation of vowels in this audio? And they are going to share their opinion here. They can do this activity individually, in pair, or in group. So this page does not only promote metacognition, digital skills, critical thinking, but also engages students in collaboration and communication. The next page is on case study. Now, this page allows students to perform beyond engagement and enhancement, right? Students will get acquainted with the school kids. Here, they will get they will get authentic learning experience by doing the case study. And evidently, this is an example of extension in learning. So what happened in this page is that students will have to choose 3 primary school pupils, and right, and they will record the students' articulation of vowels by maybe asking them to read a short text or by using any other suitable means, right? So this activity helps the students to get engaged with the school, the teachers, and the primary school pupils. After they have recorded, they are going to analyze the vowels that the pupils produced just now. Did they say it right? Which vowels were tough for them? And after identifying vowels that are tough for them, they are going to suggest a creative activity to help the students improve. And they are going to share their suggestion of the way or of the activity here in my case study. Next is the summarizing and giving feedback page. Here, the students are asked to summarize their own understanding of English vowels. From the first page up to this page, what is it that they have learned about English vowel, and share the opinion here. And the last page is on reflection. In reflection, students now will do reflective thinking. They will evaluate their own articulation of vowels. They will identify their own articulation of vowels, whether it is good, not so good, and they are going to use this scale to rate themselves. And after that, they are going to decide which vowels that they need to work on and how are they going to do it. So they need to come up with a work plan. So later, finally, they are requested to share their work plan here by clicking My Reflection. So all in all, this DLO integrates element of students' learning model, learning design, 6E, 3R, and digital tools wherever possible and appropriate. So that is all about IPG KDRI DLO. Thank you. Siap? Siap?
8 minit, 8 minit.
Okey, 8 minit.
Ah,
Alhamdulillah.
tak apa, dia lebih sikit pun